Hello everyone, I hope everybody is fine. So the purpose of today's video is to show you that how to make a PDF. So first of all you have to go on your Play Store. Go on Play Store. Here you can type PDF Maker. See, option is there, PDF Maker. So you are to download the first one, Kagaz Scanner, Cam Scanner and PDF Maker. It is multi-purpose app. You can download it. See, it is already downloaded in my phone. So I will open it right now. You have to download it. After downloading, you can open it. So I will open. See, now you can see that here is a plus sign in green one. You can see here just below this box there is a plus sign, green plus sign. So you are to plus it. Now you can see we can click the photograph. Here is the camera option. This is the camera option. You can see here. You can click this photograph. For example, yes. First of all, wait for the right pixel, then only you can click. Then the next page. Clicked. Then the next page. Clicked. Fine. Make sure कि आपकी स्क्रीन जो है वो अच्छे से उसमें वर्ड्स दिखाई दे रहे हो. ब्लर मत खींचना प्लीज, ठीक है. तो ये सब होने के बाद व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल गो प्रोसीड. यू कैन सी द ऑप्शन ऑफ प्रोसीड देयर, green signal. I will tap on that. Here you can see that you can adjust the pages. These are the lines, cropping lines. So you can adjust the pages with these lines. For example, you can see I am doing that all the words. I am making sure all the words will be visible to my teacher. So I will adjust the page. Then here is the option of next one. You can just see. Here is the option in the corner, next one. I will tap on that. I will adjust the next page also. Okay. Then again next. I will adjust this page also. I have clicked 3 pages. Fine. So next. Now you can see all 3 pages, they are here. Then I will click on done. Do not use magic colors, white magic and original shape you have to do. See, here is the original one. If you will try these colors, then your picture will not be clear. Okay. So don't try these. Just go with the original. Okay. After this, done is there. You can see the green tick, done. Tap on it. So here is your PDF. Now tap on the right one. So here is your PDF. You can see where it is. So here is your PDF. जो हमने अभी बनाई वो ये है. अब हम क्या करेंगे, ये 3 dots जो आपको दिख रहे हैं, these one, we will tap on that. See now what we will do, we will rename the folder. Rename and erase this and we will rename. For example, this is the document of Nitin, 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 and suppose the section is diamond. So we will write 8 diamond. Okay. And now we can save it. You can see here is the save option. We can save it. And now you can see your PDF is saved. Again we will go on 3 dots. Here the option is share document. Fine. तो हम शेयर करेंगे इसे शेयर एज PDF, क्योंकि हमने PDF भेजनी है. Great. Now we can see the options are there. Kaizala, WhatsApp, Truecaller, and so on. Many options are there. You can go with the option you want. Again, we will go. Share document, share as PDF. So options are there. We will go on WhatsApp. You can see WhatsApp is written here. My icons are a little bit different. So we will go on WhatsApp. And here you can search the contact number of your teacher. For example, you have to send it to me. So search the contact number and send the PDF. Like I'm sending to Ajish ma'am. So I can send this. See, it is there. So this is how you can prepare your PDF, students. I hope it is clear to you. Do not send images, send the PDF only. And this is the only purpose of this video. Okay.